Hello everybody. So today we're gonna talk about the platform we have, the MM. And the MM is a platform starting the specification, but it happened one of these days I was creating some stuff out of my creativity, and I end up to start building a ticketing system without first using a database, just assuming the content comes from a database. I put them in the variable, start displaying things, no? And for us to be able to be charged using a wallet address. I have a login, so we're gonna log on it. A simple menu, no? It's our MM dashboard, and MM dashboard give an explanation, probably a widespread explanation of what is the platform, and probably gonna see that also on about, because I'm still building the platform, and also other kind of side of this starting version of the MM platform. So there is a small short definition here. MM platform. An MM platform is a massive link and generative content platform. I mean, it is a platform that generates links and content to facilitate interaction with other platforms. So our problem just, we don't want random mem, no? We need directed mem with directed effect for a directed piece of game. No, random don't drive to any profit. At least you have a way to use that noise, because mem generate noise, no, and activities, no. But the problem, just like there is no, and there is measurement to be able to have an impact on the mem things, no. It can be mem stock, it can be mem crypto. There is no way to measure, there is no way to use the effect, and even the effect, people don't know that exists. There is just some noise. Reason why we created the AirMem platform. The AirMem, it's a measured mem first, because it's intended to be measurable, and the measure we're gonna have an impact on the growth, on some set of the growth of the coin or the stock, if it's a stock, you know. It depends of how you get inside the consensus, you know. You gotta drive a MM effect into your stock calculation to make it a kind of mem stock, I don't know. But as far as I remember, there is no measurement on the mem effect, because the mem actually is linked to someone else, a celebrity, an influencer. The MM, because it's a massive link platform, so that means we have interaction with other side of the world. We're not just alone. Remember, we build things for you to change the world. So this is one of the stuff we have built and we keep on building. Probably I'm gonna use a lot of we and us. It's just to tell me that I work on it because I have the expectation that more people are gonna come up to work on it too with us, on the consensus, on the companies, on the consortium. I'm too consensus this day, writing codes. It happened that you have some words just passing. The consortium have the aim to put you on condition to drive your expertise on the RMM to be spread, because it's have more advantage to use the RMM than the simple and control and to go. So you can be able to actually see how it look like. We're gonna have basic things here on visual. I didn't modify that much things here, but we have statistics mostly. You have contact here. When you're gonna contact, you're gonna see my name probably. Oh yes, I'm supposed to change something here, but don't bother myself. So we have event, for instance, and we have mem event, and mem event you have create and track. So you can track first, you can create, and then here we do have way to go back, create mostly therefore. Let's say I'm gonna go for track. We have statistics. This is a test I received on one of my courses. It's gonna be much more beautiful. So this is statistics of something else, it's just like I was interested about some wine investing. So it's a worldwide wine production in the world. It's just a site of putting statistics somewhere. So we're gonna have measurement coming from those from those events or mem. We're gonna create it and gonna be able to record them here. So I'm gonna back up, and then if I want to create, I'm gonna have the form we have been creating for an event. So here we can select the dates. For instance, I have the 17th today, and that event gonna end like the end of the month, the 30th. Okay, and then we have a description already made inside. I don't want to modify too much, but I can put it in order because there is some disorder here. So okay, I will say for instance, for its upcoming launch, the Aircon Consortium is delighted to invite you. It's just a normal set of sentences. This is a one sentence. So okay, invite you to what? Invite you for its grand opening. This is an event we're gonna create. I select the date, so a supportive concert for the Aircon grand opening, and we have a description to create an event, and then we have the date where you're gonna start, the date where you're gonna end, and then I'm gonna select at what time. Let's say 10 and 19 a.m. so the morning. Down and go. For the hand will be, for instance, from 10 p.m. Let's say 6 p.m. Let's say 10 p.m. So I'm gonna cut this one. Okay, so okay, that's how it works. So this is gonna generate an event. I put it somewhat in order, and then I'm gonna create a basic first version of ticket, because this is made for you to try to understand the concept behind, but this is gonna change a lot. Probably you're gonna have a few to see, but this is to start and document our actual books we have on Amazon and other books we are building actually. But the evolution rate probably will be available for those part of the AMM platform we name to be the AMM or MEM event community. So we're gonna create it. So we have a ticket. The ticket is created. So we have supportive consent for 2, we have the dates and then starting time and ending time. I'm still having the aircon consortium of a theater, it's 07 Parkway and so on. So we have all description. The ticket is created. You're gonna go to data chain, cross-reference data chain, what we name to for us for CDC. We are the only one who use it. Is a technology we have been thinking a way of doing data chain we built for our study, and it's made nowhere else. Now when we're gonna see that somewhere, so probably the part of the consortium, aircon consortium. So, and the ticket gonna go to a data chain, a CDC or a database if you want your database. But we use a data chain. We don't use a database. So we gonna do back. So we back to the main creation. So the things is done. We have things probably to change a bit, but the things is done. The ticket is creating. So I'm finished to create the ticket. At least I want to track things. I can track the event, so I can see statistics. I can have more tools here, so I can back up. I can create another event. This is a MEM event, and I can go to contact if I want, but I don't need contact, so I'm gonna go back to where I come from, the dashboard. So we're back at the dashboard. You remember here is right an MM dashboard. Things gonna change over the time, menu evolve, and then I'm gonna go actually to create, for instance, a MEM. That was event. It's the same thing. Create and track. So those main functions are described on the book. So the MM platform do have 2 main functions. Creator I was taking care of something like. So that's where we are reaching. It's still needing some more scrutiny. It's still needing connection with with the right data information. So it's gonna be a great exchange out of the platform. So we're gonna have more interaction. We try to make it the most soft and smooth possible for people to use it and to fit any kind of traffic, So now you can see we have, aside to the platform, we have got we name Airmax Philip and the ticket system and so on. Place at the public side of this. When you finish creating this, it goes for display to the public, so they can see a list of events you have. You can take those events, spread them on any platform you want. So we're gonna have more part of it. Those who buy for the ticket, those who like the event, a lot of things can be recorded on statistics and visual. So the things here, when you're gonna generate the ticket will shows up with a QR code. So we're gonna probably have another video to show you how the ticket look like, because the public side I can show that from here. I'm trying to see if I really need to have it here or not. I can publish that elsewhere. We're gonna have picture on it, to be able to have the event is a starting event, just like writing, some visual kind of picture. I don't know, sometimes you can match a video, but as we started, we're gonna put picture. You can create the starting text on description. So you just upload a SAD with this, because what we record on the form, it's useful mostly for the system to decide if the event is passed or not. If it's passed, so it's gonna be probably shut down, or you're gonna be off. Let's say you're gonna be off. It doesn't make to see to keep it on display. That you're gonna see how the ticket system works. I'm gonna wish you to have an awesome, wonderful day. I'll talk to you in a second. That's in a minute.